All right, let's look at the homework one, problem number 10. All right, it says this, we have a perimeter of a rectangle is 270 meters, and express the area A as a function of the length L, and state the domain of this function. All right, so let's do that. All right, so first we need to draw a rectangle. So we're gonna draw just a random rectangle, like that. All right. Then length is L, so I'm going to put L here. So this is going to be L. Of course, this is a rectangle, so this is going to be L as well. And then I'm going to put W for its width, so I'm going to put W here. And of course, this is going to be W there. All right, so the perimeter P is going to be just the sum of all these four sides. So you have, let's see, 2 of these guys, 2L, so these two, and plus 2W. All right, so this is supposed to be equal to 270 meters. So we set that equal to 270. All right. Then area, so area A, so I'm going to put area here. Area A is going to be simply base times height. So base is L and height is W. So L times W, right? But we want to have a function of length only L, so we have to get rid of W, right? So here's how we can do it. So we have the original equation, and I'm going to solve for W there. All right, first, everyone is even numbers, so I'm going to go ahead and divide through by 2. All right, so you have 2L divided by 2 is just 1L, 2W divided by 2 is 1W, and 270 divided by 2 is 135. All right, then we can simply move L over to the other side. We can find the formula for W. So I'm going to subtract L. So W is going to be the same thing as 135 minus L. All right, then we can just take this guy and then plug it in right here. All right, so we have a formula. It's going to be L times 135 minus L. Right, so let's type it in. Right, so you have L times 135 minus L. Right, let's check the answer. All right, we got this one correctly. All right, and the next part is we have to state the domain of the function. All right, so as you can see, the perimeter is 270. All right, so the longest length that we can have is going to be probably 135. Then the width is going to be 0 anyway, though. All right, so then the domain is going to be, all right. Let's see. If you take L to be 0, I don't know. Let's see. To be realistic, so in order to form a rectangle, I would assume that W and L has to be at least 0. So I would probably take this one, and then largest is 135. All right, let's see if they like this answer. All right, let's check the answer. All right, got that. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.